नमस्ते। मेरा नाम सागर है। मैं भारत से हूँ। मैं हिंदी 2 साल से सिखा रहा हूँ। हेलो, माय नेम इज सागर। आई एम फ्रॉम इंडिया। आई हैव बीन टीचिंग हिंदी सिंस 2 years. Hindi is my native language, but I know French and English also. I have done my bachelor's and master's from India. If you are a beginner or an absolute beginner and want to learn Hindi, then you are at the right place. I teach Hindi through ebooks, videos, and audios. In the lesson, we will learn how to structure sentences, we will do basic conversation, we will learn about basic Hindi grammar, which is very important. If you want to learn Hindi reading and writing, then we will start with the Hindi Varnmala, which is Hindi alphabet. We will learn how to read them and how to write them correctly. If you are an intermediate learner, then we will do a lot of conversation related to different situations so that you can improve and you can practice your Hindi. We will do reading and writing practice also through different activities. As a French learner, I believe and I can understand what are the challenges of a learner while learning a new language. I believe my learning and teaching experience can help you to learn this beautiful language. Kindly drop me a message if you have any questions. Looking forward meeting you. Thank you so much.